Alright, quick camera showdown. The Panasonic Lumix L10 versus the Fujifilm XE5. Two premium cameras built for travel and street photography, but they're honestly aimed at very different shooters. The Fujifilm XE5 is all about resolution and flexibility. You're getting a huge 40.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, interchangeable lenses, and up to 7 stops of in-body stabilization. If you love cropping, swapping lenses, and that classic Fuji color science, this thing is seriously impressive. The Lumix L10, though, takes the all-in-one approach. It has a 20.4 megapixel micro four thirds sensor, paired with a built-in Leica 24-75mm f1.7 to 2.8 zoom, so it's ready to shoot straight out of the box. No lens swapping, no extra bulk, just grab it and go. Autofocus is strong on both, but Panasonic's 30 FPS electronic burst mode is crazy fast, while Fuji tops out at 20 FPS. The Lumix also has that leaf shutter, which means super useful on the 1,500 flash sync for bright daylight street shots.